Uba Benson H. Pala, Presiden ke Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee, ula kubur bagi don ki kyrtong jongka syagi election MLA Arjar Fulai, kaban long ka arpinya utrek mentau benai, ki bodon mukotduma runar persya iki, hynrei ke yeng kasyari, kampat rai pynrem setia iki. Halo ke cingkeli nagi lat patai kubur, khandai trek rumpang Arjar Fulai, halo ke cing penyeng kyrtong dagi bodon mukotduma runar, kumba Stanley West Rembai nomroi, bot champion ar sangman songsak constituency, uba Pala ulong bagi kuat banya aireng election MLA, bagi dangla banya khun nomor ke yeng kasyari, kampat khen bi an yaki.
You are right, you are right, but sometimes, we have the law, he has not been convicted. So it's not only us, until unless the man is convicted, until unless we cannot judge them. So I think not only in the Congress, a few of other people also, we cannot say that he has done land grabbing, we cannot say he has committed a crime, until unless we have a law of the land. Until the law decides, I think all these are in the government. You've seen many ED raids, you've seen many IT raids and all. But ultimately, you see how many have been sentenced, how many has been discharged, how many they found them guilty. So I think we should not judge a man just somebody has given a raid, somebody has filed FIR and all. So I think we discussed with the lawyers before we given a ticket to every candidate who has a criminal records, and we found that. He has not been convicted, so he has every right to contest.
Will you say same thing about Champion Sangma?
Definitely, Champion Sangma also, I discussed with his lawyers, I discussed with him also. Until unless he is convicted, I think we have no rights to deny. If he wants to contest, like Champion Sangma, you see Bantaidor also was in the HNLC, and you see Julius Dorfang also was in HNLC, so many others. So actually, it is not the party to judge this man has got only criminal. It's the court. These are all lying in the court of law. So if the court decides, or if the court thinks that they have been already, so far only charge sheeted a different level, and he got bail. Champion has got more than 34, 35 cases. I don't know exactly, but what I know is that what he told me, that he has got around 36 cases. But all these cases they got bail except 2 cases. So these also will be cleared in due course of things. So you cannot say that once the court give a verdict, and then we can always take a decision. So I think not only in Meghalaya, not only in a Congress, many other parties also are doing the same thing. Only if they are convicted, then we don't give. We have not given to any convicted candidates.
Jungi mentala dei kapor ka jingkela kisur ngin pensawa lawan kapor ka jingkela rilum jungi mentala dei kapor ka jingkela kisur ngin pensawa lawan kapor ka jingkela